Wala na music. Ang sabi mo? Ang sabi mo?
Sabi ko sorry.
Wow! Wala yung filter.
Oh!
Gusto mo ng music? I'm going to a trip and Einstein!
Ano yun? Anong kanta yun?
Yung kay Einstein. Ano? And Einstein!
Ano yun? Ano yun eh? Coco, ano ba yun? Hindi.
Oo, gusto pang bata. Si Einstein.
And I have a trip.
Si Einstein yung katabi ko.
Ano ka ba? Ano eh? Bad hair day.
Bad. Normal hair day mo yan. Bad ka dyan.
Bad hairline.
Sakit dito tumawa.
Bad hairline eh. Tira upat barin di rabi dum dum dududum dum dududum dum dududum. Baka magulat sila pag walang filter.
Yan.
Baka magkagulat.
Para kasi Edward.
Edward. Tuliling.
Edward kulang.
Edward kulang. Kuling ba? Kuling. Edward kulang.
May lumilipad sa akin mga hila.
Simay ng hangin sa akin, malamig na.
Pinadaanan ang hangin.
Simoy ng tae sa...
Ang hila ng aking mga buko.
Hindi ko alam kung sa sobrang antok lang ba to.
Habang kapiling ko sa aking tabi.
Tamad eh.
Ang mukha niya. Edward.
Kulang.
Edward. Kuling.
Edward kuling ba?
Edward na kulang.
Bye-bye. May ano yan? Lipstick ba yan? Wala.
May filter kaya nga ginugulat ko eh. Baka lumabas yung katotohanan ko.
Oh.
Ayun.
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 Ay, may gusto akong bilhin. Samahan mo ako.
Bili mo mag-isang.
O, hintayin nyo na ako dito. Bibili lang ako popcorn. Sa taas kasi yun eh. Takbuhin ko. Hinabi mo. Hello.
Gusto dati yung ganyan eh. Yung ilalagay ito sa ano. Lagay mo nga sa sapatos mo, tapos sisilipan mo. Diba ganyan?
Oh. Yeah.
Kunyari, hi miss. Hi. Hi. May nakaupo dyan sa tabi mo.
Wala eh.
Nakaupo. I'm Apple.
Hello, auntie po.
Umupo ka, pangit para din ka sa kami.
Hello, auntie po.
Ba't ka naman kami magkatitingin ah? Hindi na nga tumabak. Hi. May nakaupo ka dyan.
Wala.
Ano nakaupo? Kanina pa ako dito ngawit sa big-big na yung ngawit.
Pwede naman. Halika.
Teka nga pala yung tatay ko. Ito yung tatay ko.
Tatay mo yan?
ako pala yung maninilip. Maninilip. Eh, tumayo ka dyan.
Oo.
Okay na yung sinelas mo. Kabila. Eh, syempre. Eh, pasan ko ipit. No? Yan. O, sige na, wag na. Ito na, nakaipit na. Hi!
Nagkita ka lang?
Ako nga mo. Oh.
Hindi, kunyari konyo.
Umandar mo.
Oo, manda. Kunyari konyo.
Ayan.
Ayan. Hi! Hi, can you came you from? My name is What's Yours? Magkakapot ang gulo nun. Can I came you from?
Hi! Sabi na po. Hi! Is that me? Is that you?
Me is you!
Hi!
Pero effective ba mga kasilip ko na?
Hi!
Hi!
Is you or is the girlfriend?
Yes,
Is
my-
there? Is Abu?
My name is What's Yours?
Oh, no. Is me? Is the you? Are we? Is really? Is really? You
Are
can?
we
Can we be?
understanding? Are we understanding like this? Like this and that?
You should come in over there.
I want to come in. Can I come in?
Come on over in my body. Wait, you should stay on the track.
What time?
Yeah, because we are trucking by. Is to see, is to believe. Can we do that down there? Over, look, is there, is the queen, is the bird.
No, it's a bird. No.
Is the
It's a plane. No, it's a sausage.
Why? It's so early. I got a hair. It's so early.
Saan galing
I
yan?
didn't expect this. I can't believe this.
Oy, saan galing yan?
It's you. I think it's you. Under there, beneath there.
Huli ka
No,
kagad.
under there.
Shape to boy. Ba't may buhok yan? Huli ka.
Bakit na? Buko yun.
Buko ba? Ba't gano'n may stigmatism?
Aray ko! Is Kenzie ba? Is busy?
I will let you look, but only 15 seconds. Like this, 15 seconds.
It's more too many. It's so happy.
You want more?
It's believing we can't. do
Believing
it.
is the sea.
Ang sakit na ng tiyan ko.
Yan. Oo, kung mag-uusap eh.
Can I?
Kaya mo na eh.
Is where your girlfriend at?
Hmm?
Is there a brother? Aba?
No.
Someone is making mad.
No girlfriend.
It's because if she is here, if she is not,
No, it's okay.
or if she can say to me, good luck, girl.
It's okay, it's a maid. It's a maid. It's a maid.
Made in the
Maid
made in the
Maid in Payats.
oh yun.
Payatas. Basurero eh. Ano ba isa oh? Ngunit siya, tamang ngamot eh.
Why is there many hairs inside me?
That's very suspicious.
Criminal.
That's
Criminology. Don't step on! There's someone kicking. It's expensive.
Hmm?
It's
So what?
expensive.
So what?